हांव सुनील फर्नांडीस आनी ग्रामसभा मेंबर चिकाली पंचायतीचो आनी आयज म्हाका व्हड खोशी भोगता। आयज आमचे सरपंचान, आमचे डेप्युटी सरपंच आनी सेक्रेटरीन आनी हेर पंचायत मेंबरांनी निवडून येयलोले। तांणी आमचे ग्रामसभेचे एक लास्ट रेझोल्युशन आमी मांडलोलें कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीचें, तें तेणी मानून घेयलें म्हूण। आनी तेणी एक कमिटी पासून फॉर्म केले आतां VP चिकालींची टोटल कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करपाक। हें एकदम म्हत्वाचें आनी चड गरजेचें। आनी चिकाली पंचायत इज द फर्स्ट पंचायत इन गोवा टू टेक दीस मॅग्नामिनस डिसिजन। आनी हें डिसिजन कित्याक गरजेचें, कित्याक आतां वयता थंय विलेजींनी डेव्हलपमेंट जाता, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वाडटा, पॉप्युलेशन लोड वाडटा, पूण कितलो वाडोंक जाय आनी कितली डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय हेजो हिशोब कोणा कडेन ना आनी खूंय बेंचमार्क ना। सो चिकाली विलेज विल बी द फर्स्ट वन टू आयडेंटिफाय द बेंचमार्क्स, कितली पॉप्युलेशन आसपा जाय, कितली जमीन आमकडे आहा आनी कितली फ्युचर निड्सा लागून जमीन आसची हे स्टडी जावपा जाय। तेन्नाच की तेणी मागीर ते डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर हें घालून विचार करून ते परमिशनां बी दिवपा जाता। सो हांव अनेकदां आमच्या सरपंचाक शाबासकी दिता आनीक मागता की हे एग्जाम्पल गोंय सरकारानूय घेवचें आनी आख्खे गोंयची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी तेणी स्टडी करचे, इतली म्हजी आमची मागणी।
इट वॉज अ फ्रुटफुल मीटिंग ऑफ village carrying capacity committee which we had formed in the last meeting. So today we declare that committee and we'll move towards preserving our village. So the first step of that, we should know what is the carrying capacity of our village. So we'll be appointing a surveyor and bodies who are expert into this, and after doing the survey and knowing what is the capacity, will be proceeding towards the development of a village in that direction. So I thank our committee members who are very active and all our panchayat members. So we'll work together towards better future and better development of our village.
आज आम्ही मीटिंग घेतलेली आसा आनी कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी जी गांवची आसपा जाय। आमी सदांच तेका बोवाळ घालता, इतले प्रोजेक्ट येयले, तितले प्रोजेक्ट येयले। जर आमकां खबर आसा आमची कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी आमच्या विलेजीची कितली, त्या प्रमाणे वी कॅन ऑल्सो समज मायज आसा ऑब्जेक्शन हाडपाक शकता लोक, पीपल कॅन systematically object. We don't know our carrying capacity किती असती. So this is a very fruitful whatever meeting we have taken, and we have good members, so that I think that something is going to happen. आणि आमकां बेगीचे बेगीन पळयचो कितले लोक आसात आनी कितले ओपन स्पेसीस आसा, कितले जागो उरला, आणि एवरीथिंग वी विल बी गेटिंग व्हेरी शॉर्टली अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी दिस इज अ व्हेरी फ्रुटफुल मीटिंग आय फील.
As Sarpanch said that the meeting was very fruitful, and it will be the joint efforts of the committee, the panchayat members and everyone, and as of I am there and I'll be as a secretary and executing authority, we'll execute it together towards making our village more sustainable and more greener.
I'm happy to note that as resolved by the Gram Sabha in the last meeting, the Panchayat has taken note of all the suggestions and implemented what was suggested to form a committee to assess the carrying capacity of the village, as well as to identify spaces for future development. So I'm extremely happy. I congratulate the Sarpanch and the members and the secretary, and I think we can all work together for the greater good of the village.